A researcher believes that treating seeds with certain additives before planting can enhance the growth of plants. An experiment to investigate this is conducted in a greenhouse. From a large number of Roma tomato seeds, 24 seeds were randomly chosen and 2 are assigned to each of the 12 containers. One of the 2 seeds is randomly selected and treated with the additive. The other seed serves as a control. Both seeds are then planted in the same container. The growth in centimeters of each of the 24 plants is measured after 30 days. These data were used to generate the partial computer output shown below. Graphical displays indicate that the assumption of normality is not unreasonable. Here you see it gives us the number, mean, standard deviation, and standard error of the control, treatment, and difference between the 2 groups. Now, determine if there is a significant difference in growth between the tomatoes with additives and the tomatoes without using the data above. Do not fear the phantoms. Allowing the mean of D to represent the mean difference in growth in centimeters between tomato seeds with additives and those without additives, our null hypothesis is that the mu of D equals 0, while our alternative hypothesis is that the mu of D does not equal 0. The problem stated that the seeds were randomly selected and that normality can be assumed. We will have to assume that the population of tomato seeds is at least 10 times greater than the sample size used, which is 12. This is a match pairs one sample t-test using the variables of x bar equaling to negative 2.015, the mu equaling 0, the standard error equaling 1.163, and n equaling 12. We find a t-score of about negative 6. From this unusually large t-value, we can infer that the p-value is lower than 0.0005 as taken from Table C. We therefore reject the HO at the 1, 5, and 10% significance levels. We do conclude from this evidence that there is a statistically significant difference in the growth between tomatoes with additives and tomatoes without additives, based on a p-value of below 0.0005, which is below any reasonable alpha value. Thanks for watching. Catch the AP in basic problems.
Created using Powtoon.